This is the Core Mini Filter H13 True HEPA filter for the LEVOIT Core Mini Air Purifier. And so these are not the name brand, but overall I would say they hold up really well. They've become our go-to filters to replace in our air purifier, and they fit perfectly. They're designed for the Core Mini or the Mini P, Core Mini P, and they install in seconds. You can see the carbon filter on the inside, and even like the pleats look very similar to the one that is the brand name. And it also comes with a bunch of these little pads that you can put essential oils on to then put in your filter. So it's nice that you get extras of those. So these filters capture dust, pollen, pet dander. We have 3 dogs and 2 kids, and these things do a great job. I'm always shocked by how much it actually captures. One tip that I found to help these last longer is you can actually vacuum them every week, and that will extend the life. And overall, I've noticed fresher air, better smells, and really it's a solid alternative to a brand name filter if you want reliable performance without overthinking.